Hi guys! Today I want to share a family favorite salad recipe with you for a surimi stick and rice salad. For this recipe you will need some boiled and cooled rice, some surimi sticks, 1 white onion, some fresh dill, about a half of a cucumber, some sweet corn, some hard-boiled eggs, and what I forgot here was 1 apple, and also the ingredients for the dressing. Once you have all of your ingredients ready, start by adding all of the rice into a large bowl, and you can just separate the rice a little bit with your hands so that it's not in any lumps, but make sure you're using basmati rice, so then you shouldn't have any lumps anyway. Then you want to add the surimi sticks, the sweet corn, the cucumber, the white onion, which you want to chop really finely. Then you want to add about a handful of fresh dill, and not forgetting the apple that I almost forgot for the second time. So adding the apple, and you want to use sweet apple so it adds a little sweetness to the salad. And then we are chopping in the hard-boiled egg. I'm using here this kind of egg chopper, I don't know what it's called, but you can also just slice the egg with a knife. Now that we have all the ingredients in the bowl, we are just going to give it a light mix to get everything mixed in before we are going to make the dressing and add the dressing in. For the dressing, you will need 4 tablespoons of natural flavored yogurt. I'm using Greek yogurt. And then you want to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil to the yogurt. Now season with some salt and some pepper and give it a good mix so that all of the ingredients are well combined. So once you've mixed all in, you should have this kind of smooth dressing, and then just add the dressing to the salad and give it a good mix so that you have the dressing well mixed in the salad. You want to serve this salad right away as it has some apple and also the fresh cucumber, so it's best served right away. However, if you have some leftover, then you can store it in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed watching this family favorite salad recipe, and if you did, please don't forget that thumbs up for support and subscribe for some more delicious recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.